Hello everyone, my name is Saifu and today I will show you an asset management system. This system is an online system used for organizations to manage, track, assign or check in, check out different types of assets, different types of consumable items, accessories and different inventory tasks. So the system is a really nice system, so let me show you how it works. So this is my day systems dashboard. As you can see here, the system has one asset, uh, 10 license items, one accessory, one consumables and one components, and there are around 5 people or users or employees in the organization. So here and the recent activity is displayed. For example, like system administrator check out this to this target user or employee. So we can simply check here in this employee profile the storekeeper or other personnel can check what item, what assets or license as accessories consumable will uh, is found on that employee for clearance purpose or for tracking those items. For example, consumable one consumable is found. This consumable is Epson color ink. Purchase cost is 5,000 and the amount is 1 liter generally. So this is how it will work. So and when we click this asset icon, will find the different assets. Already we have one record, that is the asset name laptop. So this laptop is assigned by Saifu Yusuf employee. This user check out the laptop. So this laptop, this model, this serial number laptop is in the hand of this employee in the organization. So for example, if that employee is resigning or for other purpose, if the employee want to return that PC, then the system, the storekeeper or the other personnel will check in the laptop, then that employee will be free from this item or this asset. So as you can see here, this employee has one asset device, this laptop, so he has no any item here. So how can this system works? First, there is the global setup or the configuration. So on the branding, simply we will customize based on the organization profile. Here logo will be changed, email logo and other necessary customization will be done on this category. Then the next will be the setup. So all the necessary setup will be done on this part, and the other is security. The security has the additional layer of high security platform, like the two-factor authentication. Then here is grouping. There is also grouping feature, and the other main feature is barcoding. For example, here we can set up our barcode, then we can generate our barcode. For example, uh, let's say this is my barcode, then save. Uh, if I generate one label for this item, then I'll find this Zulfi-Tech. Zulfi-Tech, the tick is what I wrote on that form, so this will be my barcode. So the other part is there is also Google integration, API key integration, and the backup features. So many features for asset management system really. So we have asset category, we have license category. For example, on assets we will have different category, and for license we will have different category, but generally we have assets, license, accessories, consumable parts, components if there are spare parts, and kits. Different kits will be recorded, assigned, and tracked by this system. So the other thing we have to do is the setup. We can add custom fields. For example, I have created like processor, right? Processor, then inside processor I will have laptop processors, desktop processors. The same, we can create different custom fields and labels, asset models. For asset model, for example, I have created like this: Lenovo laptop, Dell desktop, HP desktop, Dell laptop, HP laptop. But before this we have category is created: computers. So the same on the category, we will have different types of asset categories in the organization, like furniture. So for furniture I have no any record, but we can create a model for this. For example, let's say the asset model, our asset model, let's say, is table. Let's say the category is furniture, then the manufacturer, like let's say sample, this let's say this is the manufacturer. Then we can add this manufacturer simply here by clicking a new button. Then we can put the model, the depreciation, and field asset with we have no field set. So on the setup we need to create custom fields if necessary for like the processor, laptop processor. So unless we can say this is the furniture I'm creating. So if this furniture is in our stock, then the same we need to insert the picture of that product. So we have now the model for this. Then we need to add manufacturer, we need to add suppliers, department, location, companies. For example, let's say this table is inside IT stuff, then we will write on that location. So companies and other features. For example, if I want to add this furniture, first we need to add a seat tag. Let's say the seat tag is this one, then serial number if there is a serial number for that furniture, then what is the model, let's say the status in use pending ready to deploy, right? It will be assigned to someone, check out to someone. So in this form we can assign this table to that employee, or after that we can do this, and let's check out by some employee name here. So unless finally we can check out, or so check out to user. If we want to check out by this user, we can select, then if the location is this one, then we need to insert the picture, then the rest will be an optional fields. We can save the form now. Successfully the form is saved. So if we go to all the we missed the asset name. So this furniture is assigned to this, checked out by this. So generally we can track this table is on the hand of this employee, right? This employee. Then finally, for example, if this employee is resigning from the organization, then the storekeeper or the intern personnel will check whether that employee has any item on his hand, on his room, not returned yet. Then he can follow up simply. So the other thing, we can add licenses, we can add accessory, you can add consumable, like for example here we can see the consumable items here. I have now Epson color ink, total 5 liter, then 1 liter is minimized. By clicking this we can check out ink for the employee, for example. Now on this consumable we will see some checked out value here. From previously it was 4, then now after minimized it was 4, right, before. Then when we checked out 2, then the remaining part is 2. So and again we can check the items as status here, and licenses here, and consumables here, accessories and pupils here. We can track by this type. For example, this employee safe here, so his title position is IT specialist, and his username is Saifu, and he has a password to log in. His supervisor, his immediate supervisor is the IT manager. So he borrowed 2 assets, right? 1 laptop and 1 table. Again he used to consumable items. Here we can see here Epson color ink, this on this day and this on this day, like this. And the other thing here, someone the storekeeper, and this employee used 1 liter ink, then the storekeeper will know the amount purchased and used on the consumable. The same on the accessories, we can register all the accessories, then we can assign to different users. For example, this accessory is registered, but there is no any checked out information, but we can, if we can assign for some users, yes, like say for this employee one mouse, then check out. It is a really simple step to check in and check out the accessories, the consumables, and the assets. So let's say let's check using the other user tab. Before that, let me show you the we can view the assigned assets, right? So we can view the requested assets. If there is a requested, there is one requested asset. If it is free, then this request will get an answer here. Then the other accept assets, if there is, it will show. Then there is API key generally. So let me show you the other part of the system, like permissions. For example, storekeeper. So we can edit this employees permission. Let's say this employees the storekeeper, then we can give him like some privileges. We can grant him privilege, success privilege, or we can deny the privilege. For example, we can deny deleting an item, right, an asset, deleting like accessories, everything here. Or we can change based on our organizational structure. So this is the other feature of this system. So let's check on the user side. For example, this user has no any privilege. Simply this user can check what item she borrowed from the organization. Simply, for example, this is consumable. So consumable, there is no check-in, no need of returning because it is already consumable part. Mouse is the same, but if it is an asset, then there will be the return feature. So let me use the other user. is automatically when we log into the system, then the dashboard will show the information, then the asset, license, accessory, and consumable category. For example, here this employee has two assets on his hand, so the other part is consumable part. He used 2 times on this ink color. So generally the employee can check in their account what they have already on their hand. So the system is working like this. So next time I will show you more by adding all the data, the necessary data for this system. So this is all about the asset management system. If you have any question, or if you need this software, you can contact me. Then you can get my email here, or you can check my CV on this domain. So we can do that simply for your office asset management. Thank you for watching.